This is the final video to fix SCRCPY wireless slow with lag and latency. Are you tired of your phone or tablet freezing while using SCRCPY over Wi-Fi? Do you feel the delay is ruining your experience? This problem happens because your wireless connection can't keep up with the data SCRCPY sends. High latency or weak Wi-Fi makes the screen respond slowly, and normal settings just don't help. Many solutions online are long, confusing, and full of steps that most people can't follow. But today, Rexage has a simple trick that makes SCRCPY fast and smooth without touching complicated settings. You just need a small adjustment that fixes the lag instantly. If you want to show the exact step-by-step method to solve this, comment below and I will make a full tutorial. Don't waste your time with other guides. Rexage has the easy fix you need to make SCRCPY wireless run like wired.